Hello, good afternoon. I am Joshua Corsega, and for this presentation, I will be evaluating my classmates' social marketing program or mobilization using the evaluation framework that I developed, the SBCC Aligned Levels Framework. For this video, I will evaluate the campaign Plastic Free Cayman, implemented by a non-profit organization. The Plastic Free Cayman reported by Sir Emmanuel Jose using the framework that I developed, the SBCC Aligned Levels Framework. So for a short backgrounder, my framework is composed of six levels: the level of implementation, level of exposure, knowledge, social norms, policy, and institutional support, and the level of sustained behavior change. And for each level, uh, it consists of two indicators measured by 531 metric scale. And this is the table which we will be using for the interpretation of the result. So let's dive in. For the first level, the level of implementation, for the first indicator, the extent of activity implementation, uh, we see from the report that the campaign has started from 2017 up to present. And for that reason, I am giving 5 points because of the continuity of the activities. And for the second indicator, the availability of resources, I will also give a grade of 5 points because as I check the website, I find the calendar of activities where the community is mobilized every end of the month, alternating Saturday and Sunday. So this shows that the support is consistent. So for that reason, I am giving 5 points. For the level of exposure, the first indicator asks for the percentage of the target audience exposed to the campaign messages. So I am giving 3 points because due to the absence of information about the target audience report. But for the second indicator, the community participation in activities, I am giving 5 points because based on the website, I think there is a large and consistent community participation attending the activities. So for the third level, the level of knowledge, I could easily give a rating of 5 points for that, for the first indicator, because any individual can easily identify the desired behavior, which is participating in the cleanup drives and reducing the use of single-use plastics. And for the second indicator, which answers the question, can anyone perform the desired behavior like participating in the cleanup drive or reducing the single use of plastics? So again, I am giving 5 points. For the level of social norms, for the first indicator, the perceived community support to the desired behavior, I am giving 5 points because most of the people approve and support the desired behavior. As well as for the second indicator, I am giving 5 points because there is high and inclusive engagement among the residents in the community. And even the business sectors are participating by selling eco bags, merchandises, raising awareness, and using alternative straws for foods and beverages, and other more relevant activities. So for that reason, I am giving 5 points. For the level of policy and institutional support. So clearly, the website is saying that the partnership with the Cayman government is still under pursuit to order the banning of plastics. So while there are some institutional support, I think uh, this falls under moderation or 3 points. So for the second indicator, I am also giving 3 points for the limited availability and accessibility of various resources. And for the last level, the level of sustained behavior, for the first indicator, which is the sustained adoption of the desired behavior, I am giving 3 points. As what Mr. Jose conveyed on his report, that clearly there is a limited evidence on the sustained behavior change. But for the last indicator, for the improvement in relevant social or population level outcomes, clearly there is improvement and relevance. The presentation showed that the community gathered more than 10,000 pounds of waste in the islands. So that is in itself is already a significant feat of the program. So it garnered a total score of 52 points. So let's take a look at the summary. So at the category level interpretation, so for the level of implementation, the program got 10 points, and that is equivalent to high performance. Level of exposure, 8 points, but still high performance. 10 points for level of knowledge and level of social norms, which means high performance. 6 points only for the level of policy institutional support, which can be interpreted as moderate performance. And lastly, for the level of sustained behavior, the program got 8 points, but still high performance. So for the overall rating or evaluation using the SBCC aligned levels framework, the plastic-free Cayman campaign got a total score of 52 out of 60 points, which means that the program has strong contribution across levels. So that ends my video presentation. Thank you for listening.